Welcome once again. If today is your first time watching my video, you are welcome. For I have this good news for you. I have this opportunity for you. So, opese to find now. Opese call any Dubai UAE. Now we'll go with offer with job offer. Yes, this company that I'm going to share with you here. There is a job offer that I am giving it out. So if you're interested and you want me to help you to get this job offer, take note. You are not going to pay any amount to me, okay, till you get your visa before payment. You are going to work on your visa. You are going to work on the job offer. After receiving your offer and your visa is being approved, you can check to verify the legitimate of the visa and everything. If everything is confirmed on your side, then you pay me. Now these are the documents I'll be here for this opportunity I'm making. Now saa opportunity we ɛrekɔ de ama obi a ɔyɛ mason. So woyɛ mason na wowɔ Ghana hanom a, this opportunity is for you. So woyɛ welder, this opportunity for you. In construction, if you are construction labor, if you are construction worker or helper, now this opportunity is also for you. So I'm waiting for you guys. Now take note, I'm looking for only serious people. If you are not interested, please don't call me. Just call the number on the screen, call the number on the screen or email me through cv underscore say yahoo.com. Take note, we are looking for 50 people and we have about 20 plus more. So if you're interested, just make a call. Just call me and we'll take it from there. But before you call for this opportunity, make sure you have your passport already. You have your passport, you have police reports or police certificates, you have your medical reports, okay? You have your medical reports and you have your passport picture. I will need a passport picture of American standard with white background, and I will need full picture of yourself with white background. Now, if you have these documents, then you are good to go. You are not going to pay any amount. Initial payment, no initial payment. So what you need to do is just submit this information or this particulars to me and I'll work it out for you. And after 2 weeks time, you'll hear from me, you'll get your visa, you'll verify whether it is legit, and after that you pay me. Now this offer comes with free accommodation, food allowances is also there, and the exciting news is that job is guaranteed. You go there and your job will be there for you. So these are the opportunities in Dubai that I have for you. And also take note with this opportunity, the salary is very, very, very good. Okay, salary is very good. Food allowance will be provided to you. So if you're interested, if you want to move to Dubai, then this is the opportunity. Make sure, say, you just WhatsApp me through this line. Okay, WhatsApp me through this line. Media to me. Then you take it from there. So what Ghana ha now okay say go Dubai there. Then friend me. Now you need home come. See you